let's talk about the daisugi trees, a Japanese technique to produce wood without cutting down the trees. Like you just cut down these shoots which grow in a time of 20 years. To me, it seems very work intensive because you have to prune the shoots every second year to get these clean, nice stems. Here are other example. Here's an old one starting to break down. As I heard, this takes usually about 300 years, so they're gonna be harvested quite many times. There are other trees which are quite interesting. Here, the Pavlonia. This tree is able to regrow from like a little tiny root or from the stump. There are plantations which those trees, they're probably about 10 years old, then they get all harvested, and within 10 years they regrow and you can harvest them again. Other species which are able to this is, for example, the rubinia, very nice flowers and the bees love it. Here are ancient rubinia or honey locust. No, I think black locust is the English name. Here are other black locust tree. You can cut them down and they will regrow from the roots, not only from the stump, so not literally from every root. If you cut down one of them, you will end with a forest of them. Then in the conifers, the ability to regrow from stump to regrow from the trunk is not that often seen, but for example, the American redwood uh, is able to regrow from the trunk. Here are a poplar tree starting to regrow from the trunk, with its shoots about, I would say, 2 months old. Here a willow. They adapted quite well because they've been eaten down by beavers for over like millions of years. Here another poplar tree. And here like a very old regrowth from the trunk, which the actual trunk is just rotten, but you still can imagine where it was. And if you cut this down once more, the process will just start over again.